Hi friends, this video explains the top 8 AutoCAD tips and tricks which has helped me a lot as an AutoCAD designer by increasing my speed and productivity. See this simple sketch. For drawing the walls, use offset command. For joining the corners, what can be done is by extending this line and the other line, then trim off the extra lines. Another easier way is by using the fillet command. Type fillet, then enter the radius as 0. Then select the two lines while holding down the shift button. It can be used for these type of corners as well. See this case where we have random lines intersecting each other. For trimming, what we normally do is enter the trim command and select the cutting line and the object to be removed. A better way is to enter the command and then press enter key twice. Now we can select and trim any lines which are intersecting with any other line in the drawing. Within the trim command, press and hold down the shift button and then select the lines. It will work as extend command. Selection box. We have two types of selection boxes in AutoCAD. One is the green selection box and the other is blue selection box. If you click the left mouse button and drag towards right, we get the blue selection box. And if you press left mouse button and drag left, we'll have green selection box. While green selection box selects whichever lines it touches, the blue selection box selects only the lines which are completely within the selection box. If you click and hold down the left mouse button and drag towards right, then we have the freeform selection for the blue selection box, and drag towards the left, we'll have the freeform selection of the green selection box. In many cases, we might have zoomed out in a way that the objects are not visible in the screen. To bring back all the drawn objects within the screen, the command to be used is zoom. Enter zoom command and type A, that is select all. An easier and faster method is to click the middle mouse button. It works same as the zoom all command. All of us might have faced this issue of viewing the circle or any object as polygons. This can be rectified by just refreshing the screen using region command. Another use of the middle mouse button is for using pan command. Click and press down the middle mouse button for using the pan command. When drawing a lot of sketches, there are chances of having multiple duplicate objects which may be overlapped. This may increase the file size. To remove all these overlapped lines or entities, use the overkill command and select the sketches. Then you can remove all the unwanted duplicated lines. Tip for using mirror command. In this case, I need to mirror the circle about a line midway between the opening. The easier method is to enter mirror command, select the object to be mirrored. For the mirror line, hold down the Shift key and right mouse button. A new tab or window will open. Under this window, we have an option called Mid Between 2 Points. Select that and now select the opening points. An imaginary line will be visible, which will be the mirror line for the operation. I have created a line in a new layer and created a block from the circle. After deleting the block, that is the circle, we can still insert the block using insert command. That is, even though the block is not visible in the drawing, we can recall it. There are many advantages for this, but consider a case where we have a lot of layers and blocks which are not recorded for the drawing. It will be still present in the drawing, adding to the file size of the drawing. In these cases, we can use Purge command, which will delete all the unlocked layers and blocks which are unused in the drawing, thus helping in reducing the file size. After using the Purge command, the unused layers and blocks are completely deleted. The best tip is to use commands instead of selecting the command from the toolbar. Typing the commands is easier and have reduced a lot of time for me. It has helped me to perform the drafting at a higher speed. Use spacebars instead of pressing Enter key. Even spacebar works the same as the Enter key. In order to repeat the previous command, no need to enter the command once again. Just press the spacebar again to perform the command.